Hello everybody, welcome to the next episode of Moodle Virtual Classes. In this episode we will be talking about Moodle user management. That means we will be adding users. Okay, so let's start. So as you know that we have already seen this in the site administration, this user tab. In this user tab you have all these options, but we will be talking about few options. That means we will be talking about add new user, upload user, browse list of users. Okay, so if I click on add new user, I get this page, but I recommend don't add user with this page, because manually adding single user is a cumbersome process. But I am showing you this because you should know what are the fields there. Username, you can have the type of account, that means authenticated account, single sign-on with Facebook, Google, etc. Presently it is set to manual account, so we will be going through manual account. Then password, first name, surname, email address, etc. And if you scroll down, you have all these. So just I have shown you that how we can go for add new user, but we will be going to the upload user option. So for upload user option, you should have a CSV file. So let's see how we can create a CSV file where we bulk upload user. So this is a CSV file which we are creating. See it very carefully. You should have username field, password field, first name field, last name field, and email. Don't keep any space in between. It should be a single name. I have not put any space, and put as it is. Okay, then you can have any name, whatever, any username. Password, what I did is first name is capital, rest are small, then you have numerals and special characters. So I have combined all the things. Okay, then first name, the name of the person, last name, the email ID. So when in Excel you type these, then you have to save this as CSV. So for saving as CSV, you have to go for other file formats, and from other file format you select CSV MS-DOS, because you are on actually Microsoft Windows platform. If you are on Mac, you select Mac. Okay, so after selecting this, you have to choose that file. So choose file. When your file is chosen, it will look like this. My Moodle data, my file name is this, so it will be visible here. Then you have to upload this file. So when you upload this file, it will be shown here. Alternately, what you can do is, you can drag and drop this file here also. So eitherwise you can go and your file will be visible here. After your file is visible, click on upload user. So after some time your user will be visible here. So this short video which I have given for adding users. Now if on emergency, if you require to add a single user, in that case you choose add new user and add a single user from here. So that is in emergency. If somebody is not having username and the test is there after say half an hour, and the student has complained, sir, I don't have any username. So manually in that case you use this. Otherwise you have to use upload user option, and for upload user option you have to create this CSV file. You can create 100 of users, 500 of users, whatever number of users, and save it as CSV, and then you have to upload here. and after uploading your file will be visible here, or if you are dragging and dropping, then also your file will be visible here. So either choose file or drag drop file, in both case it will be visible here, and then when you click on upload user, your users will be visible here. Okay. So this is the simple thing where in our virtual university or virtual college or virtual school or virtual coaching, how we are managing our users, that you can see. So in this way, in this episode we have seen how to create either a single user or bulk user. So thank you. In the next episode we will be seeing how to create a course, that means how to create a subject. Okay, so stay tuned for the next episode.